Hello friends, in this video we'll look at a small Python program that merges two lists and then sorts them. Basically it is a implementation of the second part of the merge sort, in which two sorted lists are there and then you merge the two sorted lists. So here for example we have taken the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the output is 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have stored the first list in a variable list1, then we have stored the second list in list2, and then we join the two lists using the plus operation to concat the list. So after concatenation, as you can see here, the output is this, in which the two lists have been appended with each other. And here is the second list starting from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then list3.sort function is an inbuilt function which will sort the list. And then when we print the list after sorting, we see that the elements are sorted in the proper numerical order. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you very much.